Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we are respecting the 61%. We need to see an engulfing move to the upside to know that this move down is over. If it does engulf up, which it doesn't have to, it could definitely roll over and go down to a lower level, which is why I would still be looking for sorts and sort of time frames. If it does engulf up, then only two things can happen. It would either make a pullback to this last wave down, like a B or a 2, or if the weekly time frame uptrend continues, then it would eventually just go up and make new highs. So either way, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame because we definitely do not have any proof yet that it is going up for a B or a 2 or the continuation of the uptrend. We have to get some significant breaks of structure, which I think would be this area right here. If it does not break that area right there, then I would definitely continue to look for shorts because the daily trend is, or at least the market flow is definitely still down. So we do have to look at any move we see to the upside as a possible pullback to the daily time frame downtrend, at least until we get that engulfing move up or a break of structure to the upside, which we don't have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.